What size capacitor do I need for a 4-ton AC ZR45KC-PFV-135 compressor?
Who makes your AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
Armstrong yesterday.
How long has this been going on with your Armstrong air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
Shut off yesterday, tested capacitor, no reading.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Can push start fan to get it running, compressor not running.
My name is I am happy to assist you today. Heating and air conditioning has been my specialty for 46 years, so not much I can't solve if given the opportunity. Give me model and the actual AC unit itself.
SCU10E48A2. The capacitor is completely rusted with no markings.
Give me a few.
55357 and number 56397.
The capacitor should be a 40/5/370. See link below, https://www.technical010coldparts.com/lennox89M76 dual run capacitor/.
I don't see my model in the list, but we'll take your word for it, and number 55357 and number 56833. Thank you. I tested it with my meter set for capacitance and got no reading. Is that possible?
Yes. Wires need to be disconnect and then test COM to HERM should read 40, COM to fan should read 5. Here is your model in the list. Maybe you did not scroll down far enough.
Sorry I missed it, but thank you for reassuring me. I have the cap out and got no reading on either side.
Order or go buy a new cap. You can find locally for about $25 as an appliance parts store. If I give you a part number, rest assured I have researched and know before doing so. As a 46-year tech in the industry, I know the frustration of counter guys throwing out part numbers or giving wrong parts. Thanks again. Hopefully this is helpful information and I have been accurate, polite and thorough in my answer. I work for a percentage of the fee you pay, so my income is largely dependent upon tips and bonuses. Therefore, any tip or bonus definitely appreciated if you were satisfied with my help. Please remember to rate when finished. You should see a link on your page to leave a review. Remember that after rating you can come back for free follow-up for the next 30 days.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.